Hi Katie, that's a great question. So how does the gut scrub work and can anyone take it? So second answer first, not everybody can take it. If you have Crohn's disease, diverticulitis, if you have inflammatory bowel disease like colitis, for example, we wouldn't be recommending you take it because, as the name suggests, it is a scrub. However gentle it really is, it's still a scrub. And if you've got areas of soreness in your gut through something like colitis or Crohn's, it definitely wouldn't be a good idea for you. We also wouldn't recommend it for young children, but to be honest, they shouldn't really need it. So how does it work? It's a fine powder. You put it into water and it will be suspended in the water. It won't dissolve, but the water helps move it into your system. It doesn't make the water thick. The only thing that it does is taste slightly chalky, but apart from that, not much at all. And if you're in the UK, having a chalky, especially in the southeast, having chalky tasting water is normal, so it doesn't taste horrible at all. And then what it will do is, as it goes through the system, it will literally scrub. So it will go through the villi, tiny little hairs where we absorb our nutrition in the lower part of the small intestine, and it will clean through theirs because we tend to get stuff stuck in there. It goes into and that will help remove gas as well, so that helps with bloating. Then it goes into the bowel and it will mix in with the waste that we're making into poo. So if you're somebody that's a bit bloated in the bowel area or doesn't go to the loo as well as they should do, or when you go to the loo you don't feel finished, then what it will do is it will help soften that poo to move it through. But it's not a laxative. You won't be running to the toilet. You won't take it one day and the next day be sort of like sat by the loo. That isn't how it happens. So it's a very gentle process. It can take a few days for you to start to know a difference. But the bags that we have here are huge. That's a big bag. So I don't know how to show that. I've got a big head, but that's a big bag. But that will last you, because it's very gusseted there. That's a huge bag. That will last you about 2 to 3 months normally on the average person taking it. It's very good value and it works really, really well. So it's just under £20, £19.97. I hope that helps. Thanks for the question. And if you've got any other questions, come back to me. Okay, thanks. Bye.